Hello guys, welcome back to another question from the topic integral functions, and let us see what do we have to integrate today. So integrand is 3x squared divided by x raised to the power 6 plus 1. So how do we integrate this function? We have to integrate it with respect to x or dx, whatever you call. So what should we do? We can somehow try to eliminate the numerator part with the help of denominator. Is it possible? Yes, it's possible. What we can do, we can assume x cube as t and then we differentiate it on the both sides with respect to x. So what do we get? We get 3x squared dx, and on the RHS we get dt. Now you can see that dx squared dx can be replaced by dt, and as we assumed x cube is equal to t, so the denominator part can be written as t square plus 1. So what do we get now? We get the same thing, dt upon t square plus 1, and we have to integrate it with respect to t. Now the integration of 1 upon t square plus 1 is tan inverse t, as we already know that d by dx, or we can say d of tan inverse x with respect to x dx is 1 upon 1 plus x square. So the integration is just the reciprocal thing. So the integration of 1 upon 1 plus t square is equal to tan inverse t plus c. But before writing of the final answer, we should take care about the final variables. That is, here we have the answer in the variable t, but the variables that we were given with in the question is x. So we have to back substitute the value of t in terms of x. So t was x cube is equal to t. So we just simplify the expression and get tan inverse x cube plus c, where c is an arbitrary constant. So that is it. I hope you all got it. Thank you and have a nice day.